Okay, so as I was saying, I pulled this bottom one out. And then all I have to do is, I have newspaper lining the bottom. Lots of newspaper. So it catches everything. All I have to do is roll all the four sides up. Easy, just like that. Make sure nothing falls out. Just like this. And throw it in the trash. Now there's little bits of other newspaper that are here. Do the same thing, make sure nothing gets everywhere. If there's any kind of debris on the side, or I can easily just put it all to one side. All that's kitty litter rock that I put in here for the smell. Easy. Then I just put more newspaper in the whole cage. I'm trying to make them long so that whenever I go to clean the cage, I can just roll it up. Just newspapers, ads, anything you can find. Extra on the corners. You don't want to make it too high, because if it's too high, then if they poop a lot in one area, it's going to reach their feet and then they'll step on it. Here's the newspaper. Just like that. Everything's colored. See how I lined the newspaper up. Then my kitty litter. Like I said, I sprinkle it on the corners where they poop the most. Awful fun. I think she does it the most here, so I'll put more here, just on the corners. The girls' cages are so easy. And it's done. I just scoot it back in and she's ready. Now she already went and pee a little bit while I was doing this.